This is question 7, test 8, section 3, and this is on page 832. So it says, in the figure above, A, E, and C, D are each perpendicular to CE. And even if they didn't tell us that, we could tell that from these symbols here. If X is congruent to Y, if it equals Y, which I've marked here, the length of AB is 4, and the length of BD is 8. What is the length of CE? Okay, so because X and Y are congruent, and this is a right triangle with a 90-degree measure here, then we know that we have a 45, 45, 90 triangle, because these angles here are 45. And if we know that, then we know that the sides are set up like this. So we know the hypotenuse is x root 2, and we know that the legs of the triangle are each x. So then we can set 4, which we know is the hypotenuse here, equal to x root 2. And then to get x alone, we would just divide by root 2 on each side. So x is 4 divided by root 2. And we can't have a root 2 in the denominator, so then we would need to get that radical out of the denominator, and the way we do that is by multiplying times square root of 2 over square root of 2, because that'll give us just 2 in the denominator, and then we'll have 4 root 2 on top. And then you can cancel a 2 out of the top and the bottom, and that'll leave us just 2 root 2. So that's part of the answer. That's going to be the value of BE, because that's one of the legs. So that's the x equals 2 root 2. And then we just have to go about finding CB. So you actually don't have to calculate CB, because these are similar triangles, because this angle here is a vertical angle. This is a vertical angle with this angle here. And then we also have these 90-degree angles, which are identical in these triangles. And then, therefore, from the angle-angle property of similarity, you can figure out that these are also going to be 45 degrees each. So then you know that you have similar triangles. So that means that since this hypotenuse is 4 and this hypotenuse is 8, it means this triangle is twice as big as the smaller triangle. So that means that the value of CB will be twice the value of BE. So it'll just be 4 root 2. So then to get the full length of CE, we're going to add 2 root 2 plus 4 root 2. And that'll just give us 6 root 2. So that's our answer, which is choice B.